about the journey, your VIPKid journey, and you each have a story to tell. And it's happening here.
Please welcome Cindy Me, the founder and CEO of VIPKid.
When humanity is empowered by technology, we can be the superheroes for the students. We can do so much more. Work together for the next 10 years. We will be building something truly magical so that we can empower and inspire every child for the future.
You guys are everywhere in China. You guys are the rock stars of China. Congratulations. Thousands of the people that you're teaching are going to have a better interaction with the world outside China because of your incredible work. And forming these people-first bridges is really the key to a better world.
How is everyone's sessions going today? Going well?
Today we're going to learn how to build, control, and grow your brain.
Who here has made a new friend or has met somebody new? Wow, good, that's what we wanted.
It's my honor to introduce Dr. Jun Liu as our closing keynote speaker of Journey Las Vegas.
This innovative technology-enhanced educational approach, not only English, not only Chinese, in all languages, in all subject matters, will change the world.